Good day everyone, I am Czarre T, Espiritu, your English teacher for this day. And together with my student Czarre T, Espiritu, we will learn a lot about correcting sight word knowledge deficit. Sight words are common words that kids recognize instantly without sounding them out. Recognizing words by sight helps kids become faster, more fluent readers. Many sight words are tricky to read and spell. They aren't spelled the way they sound. Technically speaking, the term sight word refers to any word an individual can read as a whole word. Without sounding it out, high-frequency words are words that commonly occur in print. And I am here to demonstrate with you the sets of instruction in correcting sight words knowledge deficit. Hope this video would help you and your student as well. Correcting sight word knowledge deficit number 1. Write a sentence on a chalkboard with the new word used in context. Underline the word. So here's my sentence. Number 2. Let student read the sentence and attempt to say the new word using context clues along with other word attack skills. If you are introducing a new story, it is especially important that you do not tell them each word in advance, as this deprives them of the opportunity to apply word attack skills themselves. So let us continue. So, will you please read the sentence here, Siren?
Carla was getting irritated by all her questions.
So, very good. So, can you identify what is the underlined word here? Or underlined word?
Irritated.
Irritated, very good. Oh, so, let us pronounce it again. Irritated. Very good. Discuss the meaning of the word or how it used in talking and writing. Try to tie to something in their experience. If possible, illustrate the word with a picture or a concrete object. So a while ago, Siren said that the underlined word here is irritated. So let us know what is the definition of the word irritated. Irritated is showing or feeling that is live anger. But what are the synonyms and the antonym words for irritated? First, the synonyms. Number 1, anger. Anger. Number 2, the synonyms. The next synonyms is exasperate. So, what are the synonyms? Synonyms are the related words for irritated. So, again, anger and exasperate. How about the antonym? The antonym words for irritated are happy and satisfied. If the synonyms are the related words, antonyms are the opposite words. Okay? So, when we say irritated, that is an adjective, but the base form of irritated is irritate, and irritate is verb. Okay? So, how do we use often the word irritated? For example, we are watching K-drama and then you will see in your phone that the battery of your cellular phone was getting low, and that is 5%. So that's irritating. So that's you will irritate, because especially if the scene is getting intense or the climax is there, and then it will notify that you need to charge that's so irritating, that's so annoying. Okay, so again, or you are playing mobile phone, and then you will see that your phone is low battery. That's irritating, so embarrassing. Or like in our online class, your teacher send again another set of activities, and you will annoy, you will embarrass. That's the word irritate or irritated. Okay. Write the word as students watch. Ask them to look for certain configuration clues such as double letters, extenders, and descenders. Also ask them to look for any well-known phonogram or word families. Example, eel, ant, ape. But do not call attention to little words in longer words. So let us continue again. So Siren, what do you observe in this word?
Irritated has double R.
Correct. The irritated word has double R. So Siren is correct. So can you think on another word that has double R? Correct. So you're correct. Ask students to write the word themselves, and to be sure, have them say the word while they write it. So Siren, will you please write the word irritated here? And then after that, say it.
Irritated.
Very good, Siren. Have students make up and write sentence in which the word is used in context. Have them read these sentences to each other and discuss them. So Siren, a while ago I already defined what is irritated, the word irritated. So here, make a sentence with the use of the word irritated. Okay? Good, Siren. Siren write that his remarks irritated me a little. So very good, okay? So it means you understand what is the word irritated. So there you have it. This is the end of our video. So again, thank you for my student Siren T, Espiritu, and I hope you learned a lot. I hope you like this. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye and stay safe.